In order to find out this orange section, what we're going to do is start with the students that would be the whole circle, and we're going to take away the intersection. So we're going to get the 22, just take drama. Then we're going to do the same thing for the other side here. So what we want to figure out for students who just take German is this green part of the circle. So in order to do that, we're going to start with our students that take German. We know that some of those also take drama, so we're going to take away the intersection, and we're left over with 14 here, our students that are only taking German. The last part of our Venn diagram that we need to fill in is students that are not taking either. In order to do that, we're going to start with our total number of students, take away the students just taking drama, take away the students just taking German, and then take away the students that are taking both. That's going to leave us with 48, which gives us what's left over, or the complement to this set. We're now going to extend it a little bit further. Okay. And what you see, you don't need this part. Well, here we've got the shaded region, which is what we had before with our 16 in the previous example. And this is the intersection of D and G. This region is going to represent the students that take both drama and German. And we represent that by D and G. In order to find the probability of a student taking drama and German, we would follow the same model that we've been doing so far. We're going to take our number of chances that they have to take drama and German over the total number of students, or the total number of chances. That is 16 out of 100, which would be 4 over 25, or you can change it into a decimal or a percent. It doesn't really matter. Okay. Another set notation that we're going to look at is how to write the probability of a student that takes German but does not take drama. So we would say the probability of a student that takes German, that's the G set, and does not take drama. That would be the complement of the drama set. So our probability notation is the same. So not G, number of G and not D, all over the total number of students. The students that are in that set are these ones right here. So that would be 14 over 100, which would be 7 over 25. Okay. Another set that you'll see here is not drama and not German. So those are our students in that 48 group. They don't take either. So the probability would be 48 over 100 for them, which would be 12 over 25. And this is read as not D and not G. Okay. We're going to keep going and look at some other situations that you can calculate the probability for in this Venn diagram. The opposite of the intersection is the union, and we write that with a U symbol, kind of. So probability of the union of drama and German. This symbol means or instead of and. So the intersection means that the student has to be in the drama set and in the German set. The or symbol means that they could be in one or the other, or in both. So let's look at calculating that probability. So our setup still looks the same. The number of students in that set over our total number. Now the students in the drama set only would be 22, plus the students in the German set would be 14, plus the students in both, leaves us with, 100, same as before. And this would simplify all the way down to 13 over 25. Okay. The last example that we're going to look at for the Venn diagram here is this set here. So takes drama or doesn't take German. So that's kind of confusing. Let's shade it in on the Venn diagram here. So takes drama, that would be these people, the 22s and the 16 that are in here because they belong to that drama set. They are taking drama. So now we need the students also that aren't taking German. So the students that aren't taking German, I'll do that in a different color in red. So these are the ones that aren't taking German. Out here. And I mean, these drama people too. They happen to be in both of those sets. So what we're going to do is calculate the probability that a student is going to take drama or doesn't take German. So in order to calculate that, we're going to add up all the regions that we shaded. So 22 plus 16 plus 48 all over 100 is going to come out to 43 over 50 as the probability. So Venn diagrams are a graphical representation of sets. They can be great for you to picture which members belong in which sets and how to calculate the probability effectively. This video gives an introduction to Venn diagrams. So Venn diagrams, developed by a mathematician named John Venn, is a graphical way to look at sets. So for example, if we have 100 students and 38 students take drama, we can represent it in the diagram below. The first thing is the rectangle represents all 100 students. Okay, that represents your whole set, that's the U. The second thing is the set that takes drama. So that is this circle in the middle. And the third part is the area that is outside set D, but still in the sample space. So these are students that don't take drama. Okay. And it's called D prime, which is the complement of set D. So in order to find D prime, we would take the number of students in our sample space, take away the number of students that take drama. That would give us 100 minus 38, which is going to be 62. The probability of a student being in that complement is going to be the number over our total number of students. So we've got 62 over 100, reduce that to lowest terms, 31 over 50, which would be just over half. So just as an aside, the probability of not taking drama plus the probability of taking drama has to equal 1. That's true for all complements and sets. They all have to add up to 1. We can extend our Venn diagram to look at the intersection of events, so two events taking place at the same time. So here we've got the same 100 students, 30 of them are taking German, 16 do both drama and German. So the part that does both, that is this middle part right here where those circles intersect. Okay, we've got 100 students out here still. Okay, now we need to figure out what number to put in this part of the circle. Right